Hey guys, welcome to another episode on your favorite channel. So today I'm going to teach you about another feature of update statement. So not only that you could update your numerical values by providing directly new values to it, you could actually use your present values as the base for calculation. Let me show you how to do that. So update item, and we are going to set price. So we are going to deal with price column, and we are going to provide price. So what this actually means, on the left side price is going to tell SQL that we need value to be stored to price column, and price on the right side is going to tell that we are going to take already present price value, and now I am going to multiply that by 1.45. In this way we are going to raise every single value in price column by 45%. And intentionally I don't want to provide where keyword in this case, because I want this command to affect entire table, and I'm going to execute this with F5. Let me check what we have. And as you see, every price it's risen. And now I would like to show you how to use this trick with where keyword. Let's say that I would like to lower our prices by 25%, but only in the case that our price is bigger than 5 USD. How to do that? Update item table, set price equals price times 0.75. In this way we are going to get 25% reduction from price, and we are going to provide condition where price is bigger than 5. And now I'm going to execute this command, and let us check what we have. Select all from item, execute this, and as you see we have 25% reduction on every price bigger than 5 USD. So that's all for this episode, guys. If you like this content, please subscribe, and see ya.